If we follow the river, we can avoid the dinosaurs and reach the village by sundown.
Then let's not waste any time. We have to hurry.
Okay, viewers, just look at these results, oh my god. Today I have brought an amazing niche for all of you. Just look at these videos, they are incredibly engaging, cinematic, and powerful. The best part? I created all of them with just one click. You can already see the final results on your screen. First of all, open YouTube and search for the channel Jehona. This is an amazing channel to study for inspiration. It currently has around 239k subscribers, and according to online estimates, it generates around 5.2k per month. That's a very impressive income. Now, if you open the channel and check its videos, you'll notice that many of them have crossed 2 million and even 3 million views. Scroll down through the channel and carefully observe the content style. You'll see highly engaging stories, powerful visuals, and consistent artwork throughout every video. Today, I'm going to show you how to create the same type of videos completely free using AI. So don't worry, you won't need any paid tools. Before we start, carefully watch these sample videos and analyze every scene. Notice how every image is engaging, every shot looks cinematic, and every scene keeps the audience interested. Understanding this style is the first step to creating viral content. Now let's move on to the master prompt. Don't worry, I have already prepared everything for you. You'll find the master prompt in the description below this video. It includes everything you need, including the character prompts, art style, story structure, image prompts, video prompts, voiceover instructions, and all the essential settings. Simply copy the entire master prompt and then open ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and click Generate. Now wait for a few moments while ChatGPT prepares everything automatically. And look at this result. Within seconds, ChatGPT has generated the complete project for us. Every scene is organized one by one, including the story, image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover script. Everything is ready in a professional format, so you don't have to create anything manually. Take a moment to read through the generated scenes. You'll notice how detailed and well-structured every prompt is. This makes the entire workflow much faster and much easier. Now let's create our images. For image generation, I'll use MANUS Light. This is an excellent AI website for creating high-quality illustrations and cinematic artwork. I'll simply copy the first image prompt, paste it into MANUS Light, and click the Generate button. Now be patient for a few moments. High-quality results usually take a little time, and trust me, the wait is worth it. And here is our first image. Wow, this looks absolutely amazing. The quality is outstanding, the composition is beautiful, and the artwork is highly engaging. This is exactly the kind of result we want. Now I'll repeat the same process for all the remaining prompts. I'll simply copy each prompt one by one, paste it into the tool, and click Generate. The AI will continue creating every scene automatically. Again, be patient while the images are being generated. Good results always take a little time, but the final output is definitely worth waiting for. After a short wait, look at these results, viewers. All of my images are now ready. Oh my god, these look incredible. Every image is consistent, cinematic, colorful, and highly engaging. The character design remains consistent throughout the entire story, and the overall quality looks absolutely professional. Now carefully review every generated image and make sure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, simply click the download button and save all of your images. Because in the next step, we'll move on to the AI video generator, where we'll convert these images into stunning animated videos using another 100% free AI tool. So don't go anywhere, the most exciting part of this tutorial is coming up next. Okay viewers, now it's time to turn our images into amazing AI videos. For this step, I'm going to use an incredible tool called Google Vids. This tool is absolutely amazing, and the best part is that you can use it 100% free. First, simply open Google Vids and click on the Sign In button. After signing in, select the VO 3.1 model. This is one of the latest AI video models, and it produces very high-quality cinematic animations with excellent consistency. Once you enter the editor, you'll see a complete workspace with everything you need, including text, captions, videos, and other editing options. Now click on the video section. Here, you'll notice two options: Create and Animate. Since we already have our images ready, we'll choose the Animate option because we want to convert our images into animated videos. Now I'll select my first image. After uploading the image, I'll write a detailed animation prompt based on the scene. You can describe the camera movement, character actions, facial expressions, lighting, cinematic effects, and even request synchronized voiceover if the feature is available. Next, choose the aspect ratio. Since now the AI starts creating our first animated video. At this point, all you need is a little patience. High-quality AI videos take some time to render, so just wait while the generation is completed. And look at this result, viewers. Our first AI video is now ready. The animation looks incredibly smooth, the camera movement is cinematic, and the overall quality is outstanding. The character movement feels natural, the expressions look realistic, and the scene has a professional movie-like appearance. This is exactly the kind of quality we were aiming for. Now let's move on to the second scene. I'll upload my second image, write another detailed animation prompt that matches the scene, and then click Generate once again. As you can see, the second video has now started generating. Again, we'll wait for a few moments because good AI generations always require a little patience. One thing I really like about Google Vids with VO 3.1 is how consistent the animations are. Take a look at the second video. It looks absolutely fantastic. The character movements are smooth, the action feels natural, and the interaction with the dinosaur is incredibly well animated. Every movement looks dynamic, making the entire scene much more engaging for viewers. I personally loved this result. The animation quality is simply amazing, and Google Vids has done an excellent job. Now I'll continue with the remaining scenes. I'll go back to the image section, select my next images one by one, paste the appropriate animation prompts, and click Generate for each of them. The AI will automatically create every remaining video while maintaining the same visual quality and animation style. Once again, be patient while the rendering process finishes. After a short wait, look at these results, viewers. All of our videos have now been generated successfully. You can clearly see that every scene is highly engaging, visually stunning, and professionally animated. The quality remains consistent throughout the entire story, making the final project look polished and ready for YouTube. Now we don't need to switch to any other tool. Instead, we'll simply drag each generated clip into the timeline one by one inside the editor. Arrange the scenes in the correct order and quickly preview the entire sequence to make sure everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied with the final edit, click on File, then select Download and export your completed video. And that's it. Congratulations. You have successfully created a complete AI-generated animated video using 100% free AI tools. From generating the story and prompts to creating images, animating them, and exporting the final video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something valuable today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my future AI tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting AI idea. Goodbye and have an amazing day.